Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add shipping address on eBay. So to do that we'll need to use our browser and go to official website of eBay, and here on the home page you need to find the men icon at the top of your screen. And then go to your account. Here in the section personal information, go to personal information, and here you see personal information, so it's owner name and address. You can tap edit button and set up your email address. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.